Video I'm going to show you guys how to delete or format your hard drive and delete all the partition under that hard drive in your Windows 10 computer. So you just need to follow me. So first of all, if I'll go to my computer and right click over there and click on manage, and after that go to the disk management. So as you can see, I have right now 3 hard drive, which is disk 0, disk 1 and disk 2. Okay, so I'm going to delete this disk 1. So under disk 1 is 3 partition over there. One is system reserved, another one is I and K. So I've already backed up all my partition file, as you can see, I and K under E and D drive. So I have already backed up. So sometimes it's like we are not getting any delete button over there, delete option over there. So in that case, I will show you guys how to delete your hard drive and repartition. Okay, so now what you have to do, you need to just go to your start menu and type over there cmd. Now right click on command prompt and click on run as administrator and click on yes, and after that you have to type over there disk part. After that you have to put few commands over there, which I'll give you on my video description. So the first command is list disk, and after that you can see your hard drive is showing over there like disk 0, disk 1 and disk 2. So in this case I will select disk 1, okay, which I am going to format and delete. So what I have to do is I need to type over there select disk then 1, and after that press enter. So now as you can see, showing like disk 1 is selected right now. So now I'm going to put the first command once again, which is list disk. So if I'll type that command, as you can see showing over there star mark before disk 1, that means it is selected. So now what I have to do, I need to put this command which is called clean. So this command will help me to delete that partition. So now as you can see, it's showing over there unlocated. As you can see, if I'll try to create a new simple volume, it's not working over there. So what I have to do is I have to go to my CMD once again and type over there create partition and then primary, and after that you have to put over there the command is called assign, and as you can see one new simple volume is created, which is 232 GB. If I'll go to my computer, as you can see, I'm not able to access this drive because I have to format the drive. So right click over there and click on format, and after format you will able to access that drive. Okay, so I hope this small video will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button. And if you have any questions or question, then comments down below. I will see you guys on the next video. Take care.